Hey there, welcome to OlamifyNG. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your very first calculator app using Python. If you are new to Python and haven't installed it yet, don't worry, I'll explain how to download it. Before we dive into the coding, ready to get started? Let's go. So first of all, we'll be learning how to install Python. If you already have Python installed, feel free to skip this section. But for those of you who are new to Python, here's how you can install it on your computer. First, head over to the official Python website at python.org. So open Chrome. You can open any browser of your choice. Now head on to python.org. Once you are there, click on the Downloads tab and then select the latest version of Python for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So I'm using Windows. So you download the installer. So you click on Save. Since I already have Python installed, I don't have to go through this step. Once the download is complete, open the installer. For Windows users, be sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path before clicking Install. This step is crucial. It allows you to run Python from the command line. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open your terminal or command prompt by pressing Windows R, then type cmd. Click on enter. Now type Python space version. So you should see the version of Python. So I'm using Python 3.12.5. Setting up an editor for Python. Now that Python is installed, you need a place to write your code. You can either use the IDLE editor that comes with Python, or you can download a more powerful editor like Visual Studio Code. To keep things simple, open IDLE from your applications. This editor comes pre-installed with Python, so no extra downloads are needed. For those who want more features, I recommend Visual Studio Code. Head over to code.visualstudio.com to download it, and don't forget to install the Python extension once it is set up. So I've done all that. Now I'll open Visual Studio Code. Now that everything is set up, let's get into the main part of this video. Creating a basic calculator in Python. Our calculator will allow the user to input two numbers and choose an operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Let's break it down step by step. We'll start by creating 4 functions, one for each operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we'll create a new file, call it calculator.py. Create file. We'll start by creating 4 functions, one for each operation: addition, subtraction and division, multiplication and division. Let's write them now. As you can see, we've defined the core operations, and for division, we've made sure to handle the case where dividing by 0 isn't allowed. Next, we need to get inputs from the user. Let's ask the user for the two numbers and their choice of operation. We'll use the input function for this. Here we're allowing the user to choose the operation and enter two numbers. The numbers are converted to float so that we can handle decimal values. Now let's use if statements to determine which operation the user selected and perform the corresponding calculation. If choice. This F that I wrote here is important. It's required for adding variables into this. this conditional statement to check which operation the user selected and perform the correct function. Let's make our calculator even better by adding a loop so that the user can perform multiple calculations without restarting the program. We'll also give them the option to exit.
Users can perform multiple calculations until they decide to exit by pressing 5. Easy and practical. Let's test our calculator to make sure everything works perfectly.
backtick, which is this key.
Awesome! Our calculator works just as expected, and you can now perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Feel free to expand this project by adding more features in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to OlamifyNG for more beginner-friendly Python projects. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.